In the SLC troubleshooting video, a perceptive viewer noticed that when I was talking about putting the meter on diode check mode, I was not actually putting it on diode check mode. So I want to revisit that just a little bit. This is the meter we were using in that video, and we have them connected together with this one monitoring voltage so we can see what the output voltage is. When set to ohms, the output voltage on the leads of this meter is 2.7. Switching it to continuity, the output is 7.3. Changing it to diode function, it's still 7.3. The meter is currently set to continuity. Connecting our leads gives us a reading of about 300 ohms. Changing it to diode function by pressing the yellow button, we have a reading of 0.3 volts on the forward bias of the device. The meter's on the continuity setting. We'll check this monitor module, and it's going to indicate 409 ohms. Hitting the yellow button to put it in diode check, 0.4 volts is the forward bias voltage. And we can do the same sort of test for a control module. On continuity, we're getting 409 ohms. In diode check, the forward bias is 0.4 volts. On an SLC that has more devices, we're going to expect to see a lower reading on the meter. This is that same circuit on diode check. This is that same circuit with about 10 more devices added. Notice how the number gets lower because of more devices in parallel. Depending on your meter, you might be able to use the continuity or the diode check function when you're trying to troubleshoot a device that's wired backwards somewhere on your SLC. The important thing to remember is that you're only going to get a reading in one direction, so you flip your leads back and forth, and that should help you find the problem.